Living in 21st century, it's important that you are aware of new technology that's available and surrounding you. Who knows, maybe you will decide to change the world based on this information. These are some top mobile trends dominating this year so far. Artificial intelligence has penetrated our world. We are getting one step closer to mobile devices morphing into robots and getting close to advancements in mobile AI. You may be familiar with some of these, like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. All of these are examples of AI that may even be installed on your mobile and devices right now. In addition to these popular forms of AI, mobile apps are now using softwares such as voice recognition to encourage hands-free use and ultimately optimize the customer's experience. Your smartphones and tablets are tracking your location. Well, that's not a secret. Mobile applications are now tracking your locations with your permissions. Each time you download a new app, it requests your permission to use your location. You may not even be able to use some apps to their full potential without giving them access to your location. For example, think about a ride-sharing app such as Uber. They need your exact location to connect you with your driver. Even our routine apps such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram uses our location. Augmented reality takes something that's real and modifies it. One of the best examples of this is the face filter option on Snapchat. Recently, Instagram implemented this feature as well. The crazy Pokemon Go game was also based on augmented reality on a mobile device. More than 5 million people use augmented reality and its total revenue is $1.2 billion. Wearable technology has become increasingly popular, referring to things such as fitness bracelets, smartwatches, iWatches, healthcare monitors, and glasses. They all can be paired with mobile apps. Take Fitbit as an example. All the movements of a person wearing it can be traced through an app. Users can check their heart rates and how many miles they walked in a day and other things as well. By syncing with our mobile devices, these apps can be used socially as well. People can compare their progress with their friends and make it a competition. As a result, it encourages the usage of technology and increases our engagement. With big companies having security breaches, consumers have now become increasingly aware of the potential dangers of giving away their personal information. Many people don't like the risk of providing sensitive information to any monetization app, especially through mobile apps. In fact, security and distrust are two of the top reasons why mobile users don't feel comfortable using mobile payment applications. As mobile security improves and global app revenue rises, we will see an increase in mobile payments as well. Among them are bank apps, Google Pay, Paytm, and PhonePe. Biometrics are used to enhance security for mobile devices. Examples of biometrics include face recognition, voice recognition, and fingerprint recognition. Your current device may have some of these features installed. We will see a lot more of this moving forward. Nowadays, some apps are also using biometrics as well. For example, you may be required to use a fingerprint to make a mobile payment through Google Pay or Paytm. Technology is constantly evolving. Just compare your current smartphone to your phone that you had 5 years or 10 years ago. As we continue, we will see several different trends. Older mobile technology will be improved and newer technology will be introduced.